I'd like to talk about implementing stack in Java using array list. So we have a generic class stack where we have taken an array list, we have taken a top variable, and we've taken a size variable, and we're going to be using this constructor here to set the size of the fixed size of the stack to size, and we are setting the fixed size of the array list with this size value in the construct. Now the first method that is required is the push method. So we check to see if increasing the top does not go out of bounds. If increasing the top goes out of bounds, then we say it's a stack overflow. Otherwise, we increment top to the next position, and if the element is already existing in the stack, we return we add this element x that we are taking in the parameters here to push. We add it at the top of the stack, so we use the set function in the array list. We see a dot set has a set function. So set function replaces the element at the specified position in this list with specified element. So you are replacing wherever the element occurs in the array list, and you're setting it on the top. And otherwise we create a new element by using a dot add. In C, add appends the specific element to the end of the array list. So you're doing either one of those two things. Then we move on to the second required method in the stack, which is the top method, which returns if if top is equal to -1, that means there is nothing, no elements in the stack. Otherwise, you get the element in the array list. If we look at a dot get in the array list, returns the element at the specified position in the list. So we are returning the element at the top of the list. Pop is a third method to delete an element from the stack. In order to pop an element, we look at the top of the stack, which is equal to, if it is equal to -1, we say that there is nothing in the stack. Otherwise, we decrement the top. And by doing pop and decrementing top, we are deleting the last element from the stack. You will get a better understanding of this when we run the program. So now when we look at the fourth method that is required, if the top is -1, we return true for the empty function, otherwise we return false. The fifth method, to print the stack, we are just getting the value of each element in the stack, and we are printing it out, and we are going sequentially. So the first element will be the element at the top, and the last element will be printed out in the end. So